Hello, I hope you had a chance to enjoy the beautiful weekend, and I just want to provide some updates today. First, COVID. The state has seen an increase in volume in reference to transmission rate. Hospitalization has increased in the northern and central part of the state. We have not seen that in the southern part. So as of now, we are still green. Just as a reminder, those decisions are made each week based upon the transmission rates, based upon hospitalization, based upon available ICU beds, and those announcements are made every Wednesday. So right now, I'm hopeful we'll continue to remain in green for visitation, but I do want to at least let you know that those changes happened last week with the central region joining the northern region. We are going to begin to take down our 10 operations. I'd encourage you, if you're still in need of a booster or a vaccine, please feel free to come in. But we are going to be redeploying staff back into the operations given that the volume has dropped. I am thrilled to tell you about a big announcement that we had last week with the Rowan College of South Jersey. We started a conversation with Rowan about a year ago because we saw that there were no respiratory training programs in the southern part of the state. And there literally was no place to train respiratory therapists, and especially during COVID. So we went to Rowan College of South Jersey, had a conversation with them. We've worked to create a program together, and we are beginning to commence that training program. That got into a further conversation about the need for them to really strengthen their healthcare programs, and they really offered for us to really be their partner. So here we are, just a year after those conversations started, announcing our relationship where Inspira will be making an investment in Rowan College of South Jersey so we can plan together the extensive medical training programs that will happen. And so we're very excited to make this investment. We're very excited to create this opportunity, not only for our own employees who are very anxious to be able to go back to school, but also for the community. More to come on that. I really want to thank Dr. Fred Keating. It has been an honor to work with his team. You know, when we think about the partnership, one of the ways that I've been so overwhelmed by the commitment of this community is in our volunteer effort. Last week was National Volunteer Week, and we have had a series of luncheon drive-throughs to be able to pick up since we still can't meet en masse in public. Thank you to all our volunteers. Thank you to the tremendous staff who support the volunteers, and I'm tremendously grateful to our community members who continue to give so much of themselves. And speaking of giving you so much of yourself, you've heard me make these pleas over the last few weeks about the blood drive. There continues to be a tremendous need. Please consider making this very selfless act to be able to help someone else. The times are very difficult, right? And there's an edge that happens. And so we've been really focused on trying to address the concerns of our staff in reference to workplace violence. So when you come into our facilities, we have included some signs that just as a little reminder that, be kind, something just, direct, but quick to just, okay, let me take that breath. So I just ask, as you come in and obviously are dealing with stressful situations with your loved ones, if you just remember, staff are really just doing the best they can. And if we all can just take that breath before we react, it really would go a long way to just remembering that basic human kindness is really important, more so today than ever. So this week is Patient Experience Week, and I'm so grateful to the patient relations team, and everybody in patient experience has done such an amazing job, and they really comb through every single comment that comes in, and we provide that feedback to our staff, good and bad. We're thrilled that over 50% of the comments are very positive, and so staff love that, to be able to be recognized. And so I encourage you, if you do end up in the hospital or using one of our sites and get the patient experience survey, please recognize staff who go above and beyond, because we do have special recognition for those individuals. And then indeed also understand that every single one of your comments is read and feedback is given to that unit or to those staff people to make sure we understand where we had opportunities to improve. So I'm really looking forward to our continued work as we really strive to make sure that we meet our patients' needs, especially during the time of illness. And we couldn't do that, of course, without our top docs. And I am thrilled to share with you the list of Philly Magazine has identified top docs in our region, and so many of the folks who are associated with Inspira got to make that list, and we're so very proud of them. And while we think they're all excellent physicians, it is really special to have those extra acknowledgments that come publicly. So congratulations to all of you. And again, thank you so much for your service to our community. Until we meet again, be well and stay safe.